Guys, I do like a good torch, but a lot of EDC flashlights have the same problem. They're either really bright, but not that practical, or they're practical, but about as exciting as the light inside a fridge. So today we are taking a look at the Klarus E8, and it's a small rechargeable torch with 1,000 lumens, right? That's the main beam. And it's also got a warm side light, a rotating head, a magnetic base, a pocket clip, and even red light modes. No, not those red lights. So if you want to see whether this is genuinely useful as an everyday torch or just another gadget that will live in the drawer, well, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Klarus E8 EDC rechargeable flashlight. Now, at first glance, it looks like a fairly compact torch, but this one is a bit more interesting because it's not just a straight ahead flashlight. You've got the main beam at the front. You've got a wider warm light on the side, a head that rotates through 180 degrees, a magnetic base, a clip, and a rechargeable battery. And that combination is what caught my attention, because with a torch like this, brightness is only part of the story. Yes, it needs to be bright, but it also needs to be easy to carry, easy to position, and useful in the real world. There's no point having 1,000 lumens if the moment you need both hands free, you're holding it in your teeth like you're fixing a boiler in 1987, or if too big to carry around, you don't bother bringing it out in the first place. Now guys, before we get into it, Klarus did send this over to me for me to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So yeah, you know the script. Let's get it out of the box and see what we have. First up guys, packaging, right? It's simple. Inside you've got some paperwork, which even though this is a pretty simple torch, it's always worth looking through the paperwork. Then guys, you've got the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and of course you've got the main event, which is the torch itself. Now, first impressions, you know what, it's small, right? But it feels like a proper bit of kit. It's got an all metal body. It weighs around 88.5 grams. And it feels solid without being too bulky. I mean, it's a pretty nice little compact unit, right? And that's important for an EDC torch, because if it's too big or annoying to carry, it ends up living in the drawer. And once the torch goes in the drawer, honestly, I've got a lot of torches. It's basically retired. But this one is small enough to keep in a pocket, bag, keep it in your car, keep it in your toolkit, camera bag, or even clip to clothing that, you know, if you're working on something, it's going to come in handy. The clip does feel quite firm, which is good if you want it to stay put. But depending on what you're clipping it to, you know what, it just may feel a little stiff at first. Now, the main light is rated at 1,000 lumens with a throw of around 110 meters, which is pretty decent. And for a torch this size, you know what, you probably don't need a lot more than that. You've got different brightness modes, so you don't have to blast everything with full power every time you use it. And that's something I quite like, because turbo modes are great when you want to show off, but most of the time you just need enough light to see what you're doing without lighting up the entire street. Now, the main beam gives you that more focused flashlight style. So it's good for walking, checking the garden, looking under a car, finding something in the garage, or generally pretending you're more prepared than you actually are. But the feature I probably like the most is the side light. This is a warmer 300 lumen COB light, and it gives you a much wider spread, which makes it better for close-up work, reading, repairs, camping, lighting up a desk, or anything where you don't want a narrow beam bouncing straight back into your eyes. The difference between I need to see over there and I need to work on this thing in front of me is a lot. And because the head rotates through 180 degrees, you can angle the light where you actually need it. You can use it like a normal torch, then rotate the head and turn it into more of an L-shaped work light. So if you're working under a sink or around a car or in a cupboard or, you know, something like that, even lighting up music sheets on a stand or whatever, you can position the light properly rather than trying to balance it on a box and hoping that gravity is feeling a bit more generous. Also, guys, the magnetic base is really useful. It's strong enough to hold the torch on metal surfaces, so you can stick it to a toolbox, a car panel, metal shelf, I don't know, a music stand or anything else ferrous, that's a word, isn't it? And then angle the head so that you can point the light where you want it. You've also got red light modes. Yeah, we already talked about that. Well, not that, but red light modes. And it's a consistent red light or it's a red strobe. Now, we're not going to be using red light all the time, right? But it's useful at night when you don't want to completely ruin your night vision. And the red strobe gives you a signaling option if you're camping, traveling, stuck at the side of the road, or just want something visible in an emergency. And build-wise, like I said, guys, the Klarus E8 has an aircraft-grade aluminium body. It's got IPX6 water resistance and it's got a 1.5 meter drop resistance. Also, charging is straightforward. You've got the USB-C socket, so you know what, just plug it in and you are good to go. And it has a 1000 milliamp hour battery. And one nice feature is that you can still use all light modes while it's charging, and that's handy if you're using it at a desk or in a workshop or something like that. And battery status, guys, is shown with small blue indicator LEDs, so you can quickly see roughly how much charge you've got left. Now, Klarus claim about 82 hours of runtime on lower settings, which obviously depends massively on what mode you're using. So if you run it flat out on high or turbo, you're not getting anywhere near that. But you know what? For lower brightness, side light use or occasional jobs, battery life should be more than enough for everyday use. So guys, there you have it. For me, the Klarus E8 works because it's not just trying to be the brightest, smallest torch in the room. The main beam is bright. The side light is genuinely useful, the rotating head makes it much easier to position, and the magnetic base means you can use it hands-free. A normal torch is useful when you're holding it. This is useful when you need to get on with something. So the only things I keep in mind are the clip's quite firm, but that's okay, that's good. And if you're buying it purely for maximum throw, then there are other torches that focus more on distance. But as a compact everyday carry torch, work light, car light, camping light, or something to keep in a bag or drawer, don't put it in a drawer, you'll never get it out the drawer again. I think this is a really practical little option. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick this bad boy up for around £29.99, which is cheap. I'll leave any links, the latest pricing, and any discounts in the description box. And guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Klarus for sending me this E8 to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.